Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how to create a video source. To create a video source you have to click here, add a new source. The very first time that you are creating a source you'll see nothing except for the create source button, but once you save a video source you will be able to bring it back into the channel and repurpose it. So now, because it's my first time, I'll create a video source. I'm gonna give the source a name. For example, encoder 1, and the next thing I have to do is select where I want to go, where I want to send my video based on my region. I can use auto detect and Videolinq will find out where I am and send me to the right media server, or I can do a manual selection like this. And now I have to decide what I'm doing. Am I using an RTMP encoder? Do I use a webcam, and that can be the camera on my laptop or the camera on my mobile device? Or do I want to use a URL source? A URL source can be a recorded file or a live stream using the RTMP or RTSP format. If I'm using a file, I need to point to it, like the example shows here. I have to put it on a media server and I have to point to it using the RTMP. If I'm pointing to a live stream that is right now running, the options I have is to point to it using RTMP or RTSP. For example, network cameras, when you point to them, they'll use the RTSP protocol. A little hint, if you are pulling video from an RTSP camera and that camera is only sending video, it has no audio, check this in here, and that will help the stream to get distributed properly to social media destinations. Some of them will reject the stream if there is no audio in the video. But for this purpose now, I'm using only a recorded file, and I'll be creating now my source. You'll notice when the source is created, a record is here shown. The name that I gave the source will show up in here, and all I have to do is just enable the source and click Go Live. When I click on Go Live, my channel is active, but for that we have a different tutorial that will explain what are the next steps.